Give me all the cozy things. Hi everyone, welcome to Sincerely Molly, where I share all the things I love and I sincerely hope you like it. I'm Molly, and today I'm going to be sharing arguably one of my favorite DIYs that I've made, and it's a giant chunky knit blanket. It's so soft. Despite this being one of those hand knit blankets made with the bulky yarn, it cost under $30, believe it or not. When you look at Pinterest and things like that, you see the bulky blankets with the really thick yarn, and those are wicked expensive. Oh my gosh. I purposely didn't go for that thick of yarn just because I didn't want to spend over $60, if not more, to make a blanket. So to avoid a really expensive thick yarn, I went for kind of a medium bulky one, and I'll be sure to link it below. It was on sale when I bought it, and that's partially why this blanket ended up being under $30, but you too can shop sales and things like that. So just keep your eyes out, be patient, and you'll be able to make this blanket at a decent price as opposed to $60+, which is ridiculous. So keep on watching to see this super simple and easy DIY. What you'll need: 5 to 6 skeins of yarn depending how tight a knit you want. Begin by making a loop, leaving a little bit of a tail and having the working yarn be on top like so. Pull the working yarn through to create the first stitch. Keep pulling the working yarn through as if you're casting on or crocheting a chain. Because I prefer tighter knit blankets, each stitch is about 2 inches long. I repeated this 28 times to create the width of the blanket. Once you get to the 28th stitch / loop, flip the chain over. Leave that first stitch out, begin pulling the working yarn through. Each loop is about 1.5 inches high to create that tight knit. Insert your hand and pull through, and keep doing that. Now keep doing that same motion, left to right this time, and now you'll start seeing a stockinette stitch. At that last stitch just hanging out there, pull the working yarn through that and leave that new first loop out, and just keep knitting, just keep knitting. This isn't my favorite yarn as some parts are kind of sparse. However, because it's so fluffy, it does end up combining well and looking just fine. When you reach the end of a skein, just knot it together with your next one, leaving very short tails. This knot will combine seamlessly with the blanket. Continue looping the working yarn through to create more stitches. So here I am, still knitting, taking that working yarn and pulling it through. The repetitive motion is kind of relaxing, not gonna lie. At 40 stitches in length, it's time to begin casting off. Take 2 stitches and pull the working yarn through. Now take that loop and another stitch and again pull that working yarn through until you reach the end. pull the tail through the last loop, knot off the yarn, and trim as desired, and that's it. Enjoy your new cozy blanket. If you liked this DIY, be sure to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe. I would really appreciate it. And thank you so much for watching. Bye.